Lesson 10. Long O. The long O sound is easy. If the letter O comes before another vowel, then the long O sound is usually made. OA, OE, OO, and OW can make the long O sound, but you will meet exceptions. B, O, T, boat, K, O, T, coat, G, O, T, goat, S, O, P, soap, H, O, ho, T, O, toe, D, O, door, cur, O, crow, sn, O, snow, w, I, nd, O, window. Here are some examples of common words that end in OE, but that don't make the long O sound. K, a, n, oo, canoe, sh, oo, shoe. You will learn other ways of reading OO and OW in lessons 11 and 12. Great job! 2 more lessons to go. We will continue with our long vowel sounds in the next lesson with the long U.